Hey you guys, welcome back to K&KInspiredCreations with LaTara. So today I'm going to be making this really cool hot chocolate gingerbread snow globe thingy. So I started off by getting these really cute like cappuccino looking glasses from Dollar Tree, as well as some little snow globes. I think you can find some at Dollar Tree too. And then I ended up taking some puffy paint. So Dollar Tree does have puffy paint as well. And I'm just lining the rim of the glass with the puffy paint to make it look like chocolate is dripping down the glass. Then I decided that I wanted to go ahead and put chocolate at the very bottom rim of the glass because, you know, it was a little boring to me. I did get this idea from someone I follow on Facebook. Her name is Pam's Craft Boutique. Definitely check out her page. She has some of the cutest DIYs and fake bakes on there if you're looking for DIYs and fake bakes and stuff like that. So like I said, the bottom was kind of boring. So I went ahead and put some of the chocolate covered puffy paint at the bottom just to give it a little, something extra. And then I went ahead and grabbed some sprinkles. These are fake sprinkles. And I'm just lining the top of it with some sprinkles, as well as I'm going to do the bottom as well. And I did not get these sprinkles from Dollar Tree. I want to say I got them off of Amazon. I might have even got them off of Temu. And I don't know if Dollar Tree has sprinkles or anything like that. These are fake sprinkles. I don't know if it's like if you would want to use real sprinkles. That might attract bugs, so I don't know if that would be a good idea. But I mean, if you want to try it, you want to seal it, go ahead, be my guest. And while I am doing that, I do want to take a moment and just thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. You could be watching anybody's video on the planet, but you're sitting here watching mine, which is awesome. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do tons of cute little fake bakes and stuff like that, cute little DIYs and table decor. So if you like stuff like that, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, share. Ooh, definitely send me a comment. Let me know if you like at the very end, I'm going to do a chocolate one. I'm also going to do a white chocolate one. So let me know which one you like better, the traditional chocolate, or the white chocolate. And if I have the hype button, please hype the video. I don't think I have the hype button, but if I do, please hype the video. And the last thing I did with that mug was I added some sprinkles. Some glitter, not sprinkles. So now I'm going to start on the next one. I'm going to be doing, like I said, the white chocolate icing. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to line the top of it with the white puffy paint that you can get from Dollar Tree. And then I'm also going to do the bottom as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and put sprinkles all over this one, just like I did the other one. And I'm going to also put glitter on it at the end. And since you already seen me do this with the first one, I'm going to fast forward. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and start working on the snow globe. So I have these cute little gingerbread men. I don't know where I got them from. I have no idea. Maybe Amazon or something like that. And then I'm going to take some spackle. It's literally just dap lightweight spackle. It's white. You don't even have to put white paint in it because it stays white. And I'm going to pipe some of it on the base of the snow globe and then just stick them in there. I also have some little candies, so I'm going to put one of these candy canes, a fake candy cane in both. I did some sprinkles, and then there's just like this little candy that I put in there. I don't know what kind, but I know I did get this pack of candies, different types of candies from Amazon, so you can definitely find that on there. And I think I put like a tree on there, maybe later. I could have sworn I put a little tree on there on the back of it, but I must have done that a little bit later because I don't see that. But this is how they look so far. Aren't they cute? That's the little candy I was talking about right there. And this is when I added the candy cane to the back. Oh, never mind, I changed my mind. I'm putting some glitter on there. Anyways, so Everything has dried. As you can see, I did go ahead and paint the inside of it chocolate because I didn't like that it was clear. And that was just really easy. I just took some brown chocolate paint or whatever and just put it in there and just let it dry overnight. And then I took some glue that you can find at Dollar Tree, and I am finally putting the snow globe inside. I'm also going to line the inside of it with hot glue so that it, adheres, immediately. Like the hot glue has it adhere immediately. And of course the other glue, the tacky glue, helps it to stay over time. So that's why I ended up doing both. But again, I'm taking that same white, lightweight spackle, and I'm going to, well, actually before I do that, I took some Mod Podge and I am sealing all of the puffy paint so that it doesn't come off or scratch off or anything like that. So I just took a sponge. You can get some of these little sponge thingies from Dollar Tree, and I'm just using that to, put Mod Podge on there. You can do the glossy Mod Podge, you can do the matte Mod Podge. I can't remember what kind I did, but I don't think it really matters too much. It's your preference. And then after that, that's when I'm going to go ahead and take the spackle and do a layer of spackle around the snow globe, as well as the opening, so that you can't really see how the snow globe is, fit into the glass, if that makes sense. And that's Mod Podge right there. I have a big thing of Mod Podge, but you can find small ones at Dollar Tree. And so this is what I was talking about. I'm just piping it around so that you can't see or you can't tell where the snow globe begins and where the glass ends, if that makes sense. And I did it on both of them, and it came out really cute. I did eventually decide to do a little dollop on the top and just put like one of the little mint candies on top as well, because it was kind of boring looking. And now I'm just going to do exactly what I did before. I'm going to go ahead and put sprinkles all over the spackle. I'm going to do it all around, as well as some on the top of it. And then I'm going to finish it off with lots and lots of glitter, because the glitter is actually my favorite part. I believe that glitter makes everything better. And I want to say Cindy from Peep This Y'all always says that glitter makes everything better, but it came out absolutely adorable. Basically, I'm just going to be showing you me putting the sprinkles on there and then glitter, and I want to say that's it. I don't think I added anything else to it so far. You can see that there is a tree in there, so I did end up putting a tree in there at a later time, which I really honestly thought I did. And that's me putting my glitter on there. I love glitter. It's like a really, really, really fine glitter. I'm not a big fan of really chunky glitter. I like the really fine glitter. But this is how it came out. This is the end result of both of them. They're absolutely adorable. And yeah. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to comment which one you like better, the traditional chocolate or the white chocolate. Thanks. Bye.